So this is a quick test of 3D MVC playback using CoreELEC NG Nightly from February 26, and then I'll compare it with the CPM build A14, which is the latest as of this filming. So in this case, 3D engaged properly, and you saw the Wear 3D glasses sign come up from my projector. Now let's switch over to the CoreELEC CPM build A14 and test. So I have the CPM build A14 in the update folder, the .tar file, and I'm rebooting. Let me confirm that A14 is indeed the version that's running here, and then we will test 3D MVC playback. It is, as you can see from the operating system note there. I'll try playing back the same 3D movie. And it works. So this is great, being able to have 3D MVC playback as well as all the benefits of the CPM build. So there is a caveat you should know to using the CPM builds and wanting to use both Dolby VS10 for SDR, HDR, HDR10 plus titles, and to also have proper 3D playback. So let me show you what I mean. So after you first install CPM, when you go into settings, system, and then to CoreELEC, you'll see that by default the Dolby Vision mode is off. So in my case, I switch it to on demand, and I want display LED because that is a real benefit of the Ugoos AM6B plus player, as well as the Homatics player under CoreELEC. And my preferred settings are basically as you see here. I want Dolby Vision when SDR 8-bit and 10-bit are playing, as well as HDR10. For HDR10 plus, as my projector handles it well, I'll leave it to off, and the same goes for HLG. My projector handles that well, and for Dolby Vision, I want that pure coming out as Dolby Vision for my projector to process. Same goes for DV Profile 7. However, because I have SDR8, we're talking about 8-bit video with 3D MVC titles, is that because I have Dolby Vision enabled, it screws up 3D MVC playback. So let me show you what I mean by that. Going back to the same 3D title. As you can see, that played in top and bottom format, and you can use your projector obviously to correct it so that it's appearing frame packed as it's supposed to, but I've had trouble doing that with my projector, and it basically acts very wonky. So in this case, so that 3D MVC titles play back properly for SDR8, I made the decision to switch that off. And if I do that, 3D MVC will play back properly. Now going back to the same 3D title. You see there that 3D engaged properly. Anyways, that's something to be aware of if you're using both the CPM build and want 3D to work properly. I would suggest leaving the STR 8-bit to off. Thanks for watching.